Good morning, everyone. Welcome and join us. It is the Travel Bosses. We are here for travel tips and talk on Tuesday. This is the Travel Bosses coming before you live. We are excited to talk to you guys. Just wanting to share just a little bit about our background and why we got started in the travel business. But before we get too deep into it, you already know we have to tell you guys exactly who we are because we know it's somebody who is watching this for the very first time. And if you happen to be watching live, don't forget to comment below hashtag live. And we know that many of you guys are working and you're unable to catch us live. So you're going to catch us on replay. Be sure to comment below in the comments hashtag replay. Again, my name is Angela Stewart, also known as the Travel Plug. I have an extensive background in healthcare. I am a wife, a mom of two beautiful teenage daughters. I am a full-time mom boss. I work from anywhere, you guys. I work from anywhere there is a great Wi-Fi connection. I can work from my phone. I can work from my laptop. I am so happy that I'm able to have the freedom to work from anywhere, you guys, and be able to still build my business. And so I want to hand it on over to you, Deneen, to let us know a little bit about yourself.
Well, great morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on when you're viewing this live. My name is Deneen Thompson Akbarue. I am a wife. I'm a full-time stay-at-home mom. I am a retired United States Air Force veteran. I served in the military on active duty for more than 21 years. I'm also a licensed massage therapist. I have three beautiful children. One is 27 years old. One is 14 years old, and one will soon be 11. Yes, my baby is 10 and my oldest is 27. So y'all pray for her, sister, okay? I am
Excellent.
also, huh?
No, I said that's excellent though.
I don't do anything like easy. I am also a travel agent business coach, right? And basically what that means is, yes, I book travel for myself, but I also book travel for other people, right? But I feel what's more important is I put folks in position to make money and save money in travel, right? And that way they are able to create a legacy for their family once have closed their eyes for good. And with that, Sean, go right ahead.
Thank you, Deneen. Hello, everyone. My name is Rashonda Lynn Boyd, known as Sean. Everyone in the travel industry, I'm known as Global Girl. I am the all-star mom of five, two adults, three teenagers. One is about to exit high school. One is about to exit college. So I am so excited. I have extensive background in mental health where I have been able to teach life skills as a home-based business, which gave me the flexibility to start my very own home-based travel business. And now I coach and train others how to do the same. Kelly, to you, sweetheart.
Thank you so much, Sean. So again, good morning, everybody. Let me introduce myself. For those who do not know me, my name is Kelly Mandoff, also known as the Travel Diosa. I am a mother of four incredible adult children who make me proud every day, two who are also entrepreneurs, so I'm proud of that as well. I have an extensive background, over 15 years in telecommunications. Then I transitioned into business, banking, and finance, which is currently my plan A. I found travel about 2 years ago and quickly made that my plan B. So I am a travel business owner and travel business coach. And pretty much what that looks like is that I coach and train people who love travel how to save money, make money in the travel business by owning or starting their own travel business. Back to you, Angela.
Excellent. Thank you, ladies, for those lovely introductions. And so we're just going to go ahead and jump right into it. Again, our topic for today, we're discussing what made us join the travel business anyways, right? And so for myself, I joined the travel business simply because I wanted the freedom of being able to make money from anywhere, not being bound to it, not just being bound to my home or, or even having to be within the states. I can make money in my business, building my business on international soil. I can make money building this business, being able to literally what is a vacation just for others, that's actually work for us. You know, sipping cocktails on the beach and going live from the beach and going live from the balcony of my hotel room, that is work for us. And so I always just wanted, I mean, it was a no-brainer to me to hear this opportunity and learn that I can go do what it is I was already doing, but I wasn't being reimbursed or giving any commission attached to the travel that I was already doing. And so you're telling me that I could actually work walking around in a bikini. You know, I mean, that is amazing to me, right? Having the ability to spoil my family with trips. My husband's very hardworking business owner himself, works 7 days a week, most often about 15 to 18 hours every day, don't complain. And so this business allows me to be able to say, boo, guess what? We're going to have us either a staycation right here in the city, being able to pay ourselves from that trip. We're able to save, pay less than what is those publicized websites, and be able to also earn a commission back from a romantic getaway right here. Or like I said, I've even been able to bless him with a trip out the country with using the benefits of being a travel professional. So this business, I had to join it because I learned that there was an income attached to doing what I was already doing. So I would like to start with you, Sean. What would you like to share concerning why it is that you got started in the travel business?
Well, Angela, thank you. I got started in the travel business. I was really getting burnt out as a 1099 worker in the field, and I was an office manager, compliant manager. I was a mom of children that played all sports. I enjoyed the flexibility because if I needed to work on the front side or the back side of the week, I made those decisions as long as my clients were seen. And so I just thought it was just feasible since I was already staying up all night doing work for other people, booking their vacations, family and friends wanting to know where could they go, and you know, even giving me their budget. And I was already doing that. But when you know, it was the fact that when I made travel my business and I learned that there was actually a built-in commission on that, I was like very agitated because I was like, okay, some of these suppliers owe me. But no, that's the benefit of, I guess, not knowing, really knowing how the travel industry worked. And so I did start Googling some things, and the math wasn't mathing up for me as a single mom. And so inside of a closed Facebook group, the message was put out there, who wants to work from home, booking hotels, cruises, and etc. And I slid in her inbox because I was already looking up the information anyway. And I received that 4-minute video, and Angela, my life has not been the same since. Why? Because I simply made travel my business. Kelly?
Thank you so much, Sean. Well, for me, I didn't get to travel a lot because of the fact that I had small children and they had sports and other obligations. So I didn't get to travel very much when they were smaller. So then as they grew up, got older, as I said, I have 4 adult children now. It just became more of an option for me to travel. And then finding out you can, you know, travel and get paid for travel, that was pretty interesting to me as well, and to have the freedom to be my own boss. So it just made sense to me to be able to make it my business. So
Absolutely.
Deneen?
That's great, Kelly. Deneen?
So I joined the business. Okay, let's just say I got bit with the travel bug when I was on active duty, right? On active duty, I literally traveled around the globe, right? So once I got out, I said, oh, I still want to travel. And I kept traveling, but I was working for the government, right? So then that was like, I had to balance things off. I had to say, okay, well, around Christmas time, I can take off, but then I had to be at work for the rest of the time. And that just didn't work for me. And it really, to be honest, it didn't really sit well with my employer, because I started traveling more, even though I was like, I'll just take time without pay. I'm still going, right? So then my sister said to me, do you know that you can make money and save money on the travel that you're already doing since you're already traveling? what? How,
Mhm.
how? And once she told me how, immediately I signed up, right? Make money, save money on the travel that I was already doing. I did not join the business to build a team, right?
Mhm.
I joined the business simply for savings, right?
Right.
Although I've always been on both sides of the business, right? But
Mhm.
I didn't focus on both sides of the business. All I wanted to do was travel more, right? And so this business for me, it gave me personal freedom, right? It
Mhm.
gave me my, more importantly than anything else, it gave me time freedom, right?
Yeah.
Two of my kids are minors. So I am able to put them on the bus and take them off the bus because they don't want me to drive them to school. They want to be a big girl and catch the bus. So fine, whatever, catch the little yellow bus,
Mhm.
right? But I, so if somebody gets sick in school, I can just get up and leave and go pick them up from school. Somebody have a doctor's appointment, I can do that because I own my time. So time freedom for me is a big, big deal, right? And then, I mean, it's a way of earning extra money. I wanted, once I left my job in 2017, that was the last time I had a real bona fide job, was in 2017, right? I left, I think it was September 2017. And in February 2018 is when I started my business. So I left my job in September 2017. In October 2017, I went to Mexico. In January of 2018, I went to the DR. And then in February, my sister told me about, she was like, wait, you every other month you going somewhere. Are you getting paid for this? No. Who gets paid to travel? And she's like, travel agents do. I was like, well, okay, that's intriguing. So for me, earning money and still being able to travel the world was a big deal for me, right? I mean, plus it's a great way. When I was in the military, we had a unit of they're more like family, right?
Right.
I miss that kind of connection and camaraderie, right? Now I have that with my travel bosses and my BPs in the business, right? This
Mhm.
business that gives me the opportunity to meet new people and explore different cultures, right? My husband is from Nigeria. I met him basically through this, right?
Right.
So for me, it is just making more money or and traveling more. I get to show my children the world, and it's not costing me the same thing it would cost me if when I did it back in 2017. There's a
Right.
difference in the way I travel now. The way I travel now is as an insider. Where I traveled before was as a consumer. And so now for me, that's why I started. I'd already been around the world and back again, but now Uncle Sam doesn't cut me orders and say, you're going on this day and you're staying this long. Now I cut my own orders. I tell myself where I'm going and how long I'm staying. So for me, that's why time freedom was a big deal. Money is also great, but time freedom for me, a mother of 3 children, and my son lives in Pennsylvania, so I have the flexibility to go see him whenever I feel like it. I don't have to ask for time off to go see my baby. And
Right,
yes, he's 27, still my baby. So, so
Absolutely.
Always.
that's
Always.
why I got into the business, Angela.
right.
Absolutely. Well, you guys, you heard it here first from each of the travel bosses why it is that we got started in the business. If there was anything that was said on today that you found that resonates with you, you felt connected with either one of us based off of our individual stories. Listen, we have this amazing workshop. Listen, it is an exclusive workshop. Everybody don't have this workshop that we have to offer you guys to get inside of it today. Don't tarry. Listen, get inside of this workshop, you guys. Get this information. Learn how you can make travel your business. Learn how you can earn real good money from doing what it is you're already doing. And you don't even have to stop doing what it is you're already doing because perhaps you're working your plan A and you actually real life like your job. Amen. That's a
The
blessing.
goal should always be
That's really good. We're not here to tell you to fire your boss before you've positioned yourself to
right.
fire your boss. This is a way to position yourself to someday you can decide on how soon you're able to fire your boss by how you choose to get in this business and go to work for yourself.
Right.
So you get to write your check. When you go into that job that you go into in the mornings, they're writing your check. They're telling you how much the max you can bring home, you know. But in this business, you're able to be in control of how often you rank and promote and all of that. You understand? And so go to travelagentworkshop.com. You're going to enter one of 4 reference code IDs. You can, for if you want to get inside and you want me to be your sponsor, you're going to use the code A Stewart 5K. That is all one word, A Stewart 5K. Kelly?
If you want me to be your host, you would be Travel Diosa, all one word, Travel Diosa. Sean?
And my sponsor ID code is Global Girl 3, all one word, the number 3. Deneen?
And mine is Blissful Travel, one word, no S at the end, just Blissful Travel.
Excellent. She said it all blissful as she said it.
Absolutely.
I love it. I love it. So that's it for today, you guys. Until tomorrow, we hope that you guys have the most amazing, terrific Tuesday. And until tomorrow, you guys take care of yourself and each other. Bye for now.